Are you tired of juggling real estate marketing, client follow-ups, and property listings all at once? What if I told you that AI can handle a huge chunk of that workload so you can focus on what you do best, closing deals and building relationships? Today, I'm going to walk you through 3 game-changing AI tools every real estate agent should be using in 2025. I'll show you exactly how they work and what makes them so powerful. And stick around until the end. I've got a free bonus marketing spreadsheet that will save you hours of planning time. You'll find all the discount links in the description below. Let's begin with our first tool, BoldTrail. It is a web-based CRM platform built specifically for real estate agents, teams, and brokerages. It helps you manage leads, automate marketing, and streamline operations, all in one place. One of BoldTrail's standout features is its customizable IDX websites. You can create a personalized real estate website that integrates directly with MLS listings, so your clients always see up-to-date property information automatically. Plus, you can choose your own layout, branding, and style, giving your site a professional and client-friendly look without hiring a developer. Another key feature is AI-driven lead nurturing. BoldTrail automatically follows up with leads by sending personalized emails, texts, and alerts at the right time. It also comes with comprehensive CRM tools. From a single dashboard, you can manage contacts, track tasks, and measure performance. You can see which leads are hot, which need follow-up, and which campaigns are performing best. Whether you're a solo agent or part of a larger team, these tools keep you organized and help you close deals faster. For marketing, BoldTrail offers integrated solutions. You can run email, SMS, and even social media campaigns directly from the platform. That means you can promote listings, share open houses, or nurture leads across multiple channels. Of course, BoldTrail isn't without its challenges. While the interface is fairly intuitive, some advanced features can take time to master, and although it integrates with key platforms, it may not connect with every tool you already use. Talking about pricing, BoldTrail doesn't list its pricing publicly, which may be a hurdle for solo agents or smaller teams who are just starting out. They invite you to book a personalized demo where you'll get tailored pricing information. Many users have found that their comprehensive plan for solo agents starts around $500 per month. While this may feel steep, a powerful CRM often pays for itself when used correctly. Overall, BoldTrail is a robust CRM tailored for mid-tier real estate professionals as it combines AI-driven automation, customizable websites, and powerful lead management tools all in one place. Up next, we have VirtualStaging AI. It's a web-based platform that transforms photos of empty or cluttered rooms into beautifully staged, fully furnished spaces within seconds. Once I log in, I'm taken to the main dashboard. From here, I'll click the Upload Photo button and select the empty room I want to stage. As you can see, I've uploaded a vacant room with just plain walls and flooring. This will be our starting point. Once the photo is uploaded, look for the Room Type drop-down menu. Click on it and select the type of room you're staging. For this example, you can choose from options like living room, bedroom, dining room, or home office. I'm selecting the bedroom option here. Next to the room type, you'll see a box labeled Furniture Style. Click the drop-down and pick the style you want. You can go with Scandinavian for a light and airy feel, modern for sleek lines, or luxury for a high-end look. Let's select the luxury option for now. You'll also notice an option called Add a Second View. This lets you create an alternate version of the same room with a different furniture style, perfect for showing buyers multiple design options. Once you've chosen the room type and furniture style, scroll down and click the Process Photo button. The AI will analyze the empty space and automatically add furniture and decor to match your selections. In just a few seconds, you'll see your plain room transformed into a fully staged space. After processing, you can view the before and after versions of the room. This is a powerful way to show clients what a property could look like once it's furnished. One of the best features of VirtualStaging AI is that it can reimagine a single room in multiple ways. For instance, if you uploaded a vacant bedroom, you can switch the room type to kids' room and it will transform into a child's bedroom with a bunk bed and playful decor. A plain living room can be changed to a home office, complete with a desk, chair, and laptop. If you are working with a dining area, just pick Dining Room and it'll set up a 6-chair table, even adding a flower pot in the middle to make it feel complete. After choosing a new room type, simply click Process Photo again, and within seconds, the same empty space is staged in a completely different way. This flexibility is perfect for showing buyers multiple possibilities for a single property, helping them imagine how they could use the space. If you're happy with the result, simply click the download button to save the stage photo in high quality. You can then upload it directly to your real estate listings, share it on social media, or include it in email campaigns. VirtualStaging AI's plans start at $25 a month for the basic plan, offering 6 photos per month and unlimited renders and downloads. To reduce risk, VirtualStaging AI includes a 7-day refund policy if under 10 images are uploaded, making it easier for first-time users to try before committing. While VirtualStaging AI delivers strong results for many agents, it isn't without drawbacks. Some users note issues with furniture placement and limited customization, as well as missing features like multi-view options or dusk settings. Customer service feedback is mixed, with several frustrations around billing, auto-renewal policies, and refund difficulties. In my own case, the annual plan I subscribed to was automatically canceled and shifted into a monthly plan on another account, which was inconvenient and unexpected. But overall, VirtualStaging AI can be a valuable and affordable tool for enhancing property photos, especially for agents seeking quick staging solutions. And finally, rounding out our lineup with Blaze AI. Blaze AI is an AI-powered marketing assistant built specifically for professionals like real estate agents, unlike Canva, which focuses mainly on design and templates. Once you log into Blaze, the first step is setting up your brand kit. You can add your website or drop in some past content, and Blaze will automatically analyze your tone and lock it in as your brand voice. From then on, every email, listing, or social post will sound authentically like you instead of a generic AI. That's a big edge over Canva, which can design great posts but doesn't capture your personal voice. Now that your brand voice is set, it's time to generate your very first piece of content. On the main dashboard, click Create New. For this demo, we'll create a LinkedIn post. Name your document, for example, Post 1, and write a detailed prompt to guide Blaze in generating the content. Make sure to select your brand kit so Blaze uses your custom brand voice. You can define your target audience, such as solopreneurs or real estate buyers, and choose the post length, for instance, medium, between 10 to 25 words. There are also optional settings, like including links, avoiding certain words or phrases, or deciding whether to include images. Once everything is set, click Generate, and Blaze will instantly create a polished LinkedIn post tailored to your brand voice and audience. This is where Blaze AI really shines as a marketing powerhouse. With just one idea, Blaze can generate an entire month's worth of social media content in your custom brand voice. Beyond social media, Blaze helps you run full multi-channel campaigns. From a single long-form piece, like a webinar, podcast, or blog post, Blaze can create over 50 different types of content, including social media posts, Facebook ads, emails, and landing pages. Next, click Calendar on the left menu. From here, you can schedule your posts to platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, or Twitter. Simply set the time, preview your content, and Blaze will handle publishing automatically. Next, head over to Analytics. Here, you can see which listings, posts, or emails are bringing in the most leads. This insight allows you to focus on what's actually working. For realtors, this is invaluable. While Canva can show you how well your designs perform, Blaze goes further by showing marketing results that directly lead to more clients. Blaze integrates seamlessly with major social platforms, letting you publish directly to Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, or X. Plans start at $99 per month and you get a 7-day free trial, so you can easily explore its features without upfront commitment. On the downside, Blaze AI content can feel generic, often requiring substantial rewriting to pass originality checks. As a whole, Blaze AI is a useful content drafting tool, especially for marketers needing quick outputs. But you need to invest time in editing and consider pairing it with other tools to maximize results. Now, for the bonus, if you've been wanting to use ChatGPT for your real estate business, I've made it super simple for you. Inside my free marketing spreadsheet, I've included ready-to-use ChatGPT prompts to help with content creation, leads, and follow-ups. The link is in the description. Go download it and make your marketing 10 times easier. Which tool do you use for your real estate business? Share it in the comments below. And for another helpful AI guide to stay ahead in 2025, check out this video next.